Let's go back to the chart. Screen glow shining in the middle of the night. Candles keep dancing, red turns into white. Some days I'm flying, some days I fall apart, but every road I walk leads me back to the chart. Losses hit heavy, yeah, they test my soul. But pressure makes diamonds and patience builds control. The market ain't against me, it's teaching me to see. Every trade revealing a better version of me. I don't fear the pullbacks, I don't fear the pain. Every storm I weather makes me stronger in the game. So I go back to the chart, back to the candles in the dark. Every win and every scar leaves another lesson on my heart. Oh, price action talking, I listen and learn. Every setback fuels the fire that burns. I stay grounded, trust the process, play my part. No matter what happens, I go back to the chart. Green days humble me, red days make me wise. Success ain't perfection, it's learning every time. Discipline over ego, consistency over hype. The strongest traders grow through every fight. I learned that fear can't fade when the mindset's right. And one bad trade will never define my life. The market's like a mirror showing who you are, teaching self-control beneath the pressure and the scars. I don't chase revenge trades, I don't break my frame. Every candle printed is another step to greatness. So I go back to the chart, back to the candles in the dark. Every win and every scar leaves another lesson on my heart. Oh, price action talking, I listen and learn. Every setback fuels the fire that burns. I stay grounded, trust the process, play my part. No matter what happens, I go back to the chart. Slow gains still count, small wins still go. The patient mind survives what the reckless never know. One trade don't make me, one loss won't break me. I'm building something bigger every single day I breathe. Yeah, I go back to the chart with a stronger mind and heart. Every high and every low, here's another piece of gold. The journey ain't easy, but I know what I'm worth. Every lesson from the market helps me grow on this earth. I keep faith through every cycle, every crash, every start, because the dream stays alive when I go back to the top. Let's go back to the chart. Screen glow shining in the middle of the night. Candles keep dancing, red turns into white. Some days I'm flying, some days I fall apart, but every road I walk leads me back to the chart. Losses hit heavy, yeah, they test my soul. But pressure makes diamonds and patience builds control. The market ain't against me, it's teaching me to see. Every trade revealing a better version of me. I don't fear the pullbacks, I don't fear the pain. Every storm I weather makes me stronger in the game. So I go back to the chart, back to the candles in the dark. Every win and every scar leaves another lesson on my heart. Oh, price action talking, I listen and learn. Every setback fuels the fire that burns. I stay grounded, trust the process, play my part. No matter what happens, I go back to the chart.
Hello, hello, hello. How are you, everyone? Hope you're doing well. Where are my viewers? It's all right, man. It's for me. It's absolutely okay. You enjoying the price action? Isn't it nice? Let's a little bit show you where we are. We couldn't actually trade that much with this account yet, but we will. So the thing is that we know we set up our risk parameter. No, not this one. This is the breached account. See, so I kept it. We have to keep it. We have to show that we are trying. So this is the account we are trying, but 3 days I've been trying, but it didn't do nothing. We are just yesterday we had break even, because as I fixed it that I'm gonna only trade live, so I have to little bit cautious. Okay, so we got like kind of half an hour left. Let's see what happening to the world. Looks like the world is falling apart, isn't it? Oh, don't fall anymore. Where are we gonna trade? So yeah, so this is the situation. Let's go to the chart. So it would be nice if some other people were there as well, but it's all right. It is what it is. So what I'm gonna do, I'll quickly go through it, okay, just to show you. So today, massive, again, same thing, like the previous day. Massive sell-off. Look, if we go to 4 hours, beginning of the market open, bang, 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 bang. What's going on to the world? World is all of a sudden concerned about inflation, isn't it? All this time, they didn't care. When the CPI came out, I think what was that? PPI came out. Nobody given a damn. Market went high, and all of a sudden they're concerned. So yeah, this is the sell-off. So today they basically are almost under the weekly price. Weekly opening was I think this one was the weekly open. So they are already trading under the weekly opens. Weekly opening price. So these are Wednesday's low. So we are observing this one as well. Okay, so I mean on that day, remember I was like checking if they can come back to some sort of a level from 4 hours, and they actually today they already crossed it. I think this one was the target. Yesterday they came up to there, but they didn't come here. Like when they don't complete something, one of the things we have to remember that they come back. Look, I was looking to trade from this area, but I was saying that if they came tiny bit yesterday, I think, if you check me, so they didn't completed the move. So today is the move. So they already trading on 12th of May. The price is on which is it? Tuesdays, I think. Tuesday's opening price. So this is the Tuesday's low, I guess. Let me see. This is Wednesday's, I think. Tuesday's opening price was there. Okay. What the trading? Let me just quickly have a look, because it's like little bit confusing. Yeah, look, this one. So this is the price of yeah, Wednesday's opening price. They already traded on the top of that, and then now they a little bit doing something. So anyways, this is the thing that what I was trying to say, that today's just massive sell-off in the beginning. Now what are we gonna do? They already moved such a significant amount. I don't know where to getting engaged, but we'll try, because they're trading under this week opening price. Okay, so that's the good things for us. So we will try to get engaged. But the thing is, like, this is a risk. One of the things I want to say that, like I've been showing you that, remember this one, when we were talking about these things, I think if you remember it. So these are the target we set it up for, these things. So look, ES was on that day I was talking, like, this one didn't met all these targets. Look, now They are near the target, and what happened? All of a sudden the concern came out. This is CPI, this is PPI, and this is today. So this retracement. So the point of showing these things is like to say that when the technical lined up with everything, then the news start affecting. That's the only things I want to say about these things. I don't want to say too many things, So the technical, when they lined up with the price and things like that, then automatically the news will come out. So that's why we have to see the news, we have to know about it, we have to know what's going on in the world. These are all like this is CPI day, PPI day, bang bang, and then today coming back. Now go back to the weekly profile. Look, this is what is it? This is Monday, Tuesday taken out the low, Wednesday expansion, Thursday expansion, Friday bang, came back to the weekly price. Classic ICT weekly profile. So that's it. It's nice, But you say, oh, what did you do? Performance, forget about it. Performance is completely different things than, trading in front of people is difficult. That's what I'm saying. But even trading itself is difficult. You can understand what's going on. That's the fun. But like making money, trying to be an aggressive trader is a completely different. You don't need to know nothing. You just, remember Mark Douglas, what he said. He said, take a coin, toss it, and then if it is heads or tail, take a trade. It could be a winner. And he said it will be a winner, or there is a 50-50 chance of winning. But the problem is that over the long run, is this going to win if you don't have a strategy? So that's what we're trying to build up. But the thing is that today's sell-off, it was not that much surprising, okay? But it's nice to know as well why they're selling up. So what happening here is the bond market is like the yield is high. So if you check the 10 years, I think I don't want to be too much technical here. I think the 10 years, if we check it, where is this? If it's there, I don't know if I have the actual one. Look, this one. Where is it? 4.56. So that means yield is going higher. Okay. So when the yield go high, means borrowing cost will be expensive, isn't it? So 5.56. Normally 4.5 is the like a barrier line. So when they go higher than that, that means it's like a problematic. Look, 30 years bond is like 5.1. Do you understand? So they crossed certain level, and this is very important. I think somebody said it. I think ICT told us, bond market is bigger than the stock market. Okay, so it's very, very important things happening right now. Even if you go to Asian market, there's all sold off. Why? All of a sudden, I told you, inflation concern. So if the inflation, they are that much concerned about inflation, why they didn't sell it on those days? Because the technical didn't line up. So today, all of a sudden, the technical lined up. So that's why, we'll be watching it. Now we have to find a place to trade it. That's the question. That is the performance bit. We already understood what they're doing. Okay, so now will you be able to perform? That's the question. Okay, so where are we gonna get engaged? So that's the question. So let's see where we can get engaged. So already from the higher time frame, let's see. So this is monthly. Look at this. This one still, I'm not thinking that they already what is it called, like it's gonna completely reverse from here. This one I'm not still thinking. Okay, this is just a retracement to me, because I don't want to be fixated. Okay, so this kind of things, what is it creating is like if this one completely taken out this high and then they came down like that, I would say, okay, this is a reversal, we can go for this. But this one can be a reversal. Don't get me wrong, but I'm saying that is not, just not yet. Why I'm saying that? Look at the price where they reach. So 29,700, like almost 800, let's say. So it's 29,800, let's say. So, they are near 30,000. That is another things to remember. Significant number, okay? So when they come near significant number, this is kind of a retracement, or even people, they know that people are expecting it to go to 30,000. So what they're gonna do? They're gonna do something here. To me, I'm just saying it, okay? Like observing the market. Look, if you see here, see when they reached first time 25,000. Let's say here, look. So, okay, you can say, oh, they reached it here somewhere. I don't know where was that. 700, look. 24,765. What happened? Is in all-time high. So first time in history they reached there. Look at this retracement. So let me see when they reach 20,000. 20,000, let's say, or we're here. So when they reach 20,000, what happened? Is there anything happen in 20,000 as well? Or they crossed it. 20,600, then they did this dip. So I'm saying, like, those kind of number, just, when they approach there next to it, this is a NQ. Maybe they did it in years. I don't know. Let me see. No, sorry, years. Oh, no, 20,000 here. Something was there. Sorry for that. Let me see. 20,600. This one was 19,300. Yeah, almost there. They don't go like immediately. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. Not like trying to create too much like a trouble. Just to say that significant number. They look at this one. I'm trying to say. So weekly price. Look, where are they? They almost reaching. And look here, 19,000. See, 19,800. Look, and what they did. This massive things. First time in history they came near 20,000. They didn't cross 20,000. That's what I'm trying to show you. Yeah, I was watching wrong place. Look here. This is after the COVID. So after the COVID, this run was a like stimulus run, when they were printing money. So the printing money in exactly 19,868, and then this dip happened. So this kind of massive run around 30,000. Anything can happen, so we have to be cautious and looking at it. But I'm not saying that this is the top or something. I don't want to pick a bottom. We just trade accordingly. But I'm saying we could be on side as well, like if we were like careful. So now the question is that what are they doing? They already did a massive 2 days of extension, and then this is the coming back. We don't know. This 50% of this one we're gonna observe. Now, this one will be a nice order block. Okay, so these two series of candle, not this one, these two series of candle. Okay, so now the question is, can they close here? The next week we're gonna hopefully do something. I think next week there is earnings. So Wednesday, I think, as far as I remember. I'm not sure. I didn't check it that much. So, but as far as I remember. So remember when I was talking about, like yesterday as well, like I'm expecting them to like next week to kind of retrace back into this one, and then maybe if they want to go high. But that's what the scenario they're creating like that already. So maybe they will close somehow around here next week, coming back to this gap, and then if you try, or we want to see if they can give us a little bit deeper retracement here, there, to come back to this area. We'll see. This all need to be seen. But we are day trader. Who cares? The next 15 minutes candle is starting. So yeah, this is the little bit of analysis. I'm not that good in explaining things, but we'll slowly learn. So this is the 4 hours. What they did in the morning, first candle they closed it under this series of up close candle what they created. So yesterday when I was here trading, remember I was telling this one, I thought, oh, this one try to create an order block, but this is not a nice kind of order block. Why not? It would be nice if this one taken out, this one's high, and then they came down and closed here. But what they created on that yesterday, if you check it, look, I know lots of line, it's all right, you'll get used to it. I got used to it. So this one, let's say, this is the low of this candle, yeah. Then they came down to trade this one, and then they closed here at 10 o'clock. So this is the expansion candle. So we could have traded this one, but yesterday I was in a bearish mood because they didn't come here. I was thinking that they would at least come here, but when they closed here, this one is an experience. We have to check it next time. I'm gonna check it as well. Like slowly it will open up. I think the eyes. Look, this one just a small wick, and then look at the candle to take out this high, the all-time high. Yeah, but the question is that then they created this. This is a nice order block, isn't it? 2 of these in 4 hours. So today, what did it? The first candle they closed it here. So now what it became? But still, this one I didn't like it. If they could take out the highs and come back, I would say okay, reversal. But that's what I'm saying. So in future, maybe they have more to do on the top. So that's why we have to be open-minded. Okay. So but this one they already closed it. Next candle up, and then the extension already done. This one extension they did it. They reached to this gap. I don't know why I mark here, but I don't need it. This one anymore. So like this candle is the 6 o'clock candle. Are we expecting this one to take out all these high lows? So that's the things. I'm thinking like if they can take out these lows and then after that they retrace maybe, or maybe they can be this candle can take out, or this one can go high even because this one untraded. No idea. But now at least they are trying to retrace back from this. What is it called? New day opening gap. So this is one of the things I need to notice. But it would be good. It can even take out this low, and then in the evening maybe it could be massive reversal candle and come near the this one. I'm thinking around this area maybe they will close, but this candle can be going down to take out this liquidities. So hopefully this is a swing low. So this is fast target if they falling. Upside I don't have no I only thinking that they'll go upside to retrace, but I would love them to take out these lows, and then I have to mark it nicely. In future I'll do that. I have to do lots of work on my chart. So this one I don't want to put it because we already know that this one already created a order block here. So the bearishness already we already saw it. So bearishness, when it will be completed, when they take out one of these swing low. That's what I'm from my understanding and logic. Okay, so there are a massive low on this one is the Tuesday's low. I don't know if they're gonna come here. Don't get me wrong, they can do that, but I am not sure. Actually, I'm just thinking like if they just at least take these things out and then they close around this area, I'll be happy with my analysis. The next week I can work on other things. So there will be more target for next week. Okay, so let's go to 1 hour. I don't like to do my analysis from this chart, but I can only do it from there, because if I show you the other chart, because that one resolution is so high, everything just my computer freeze. So this is the only chart I can show you, but this chart I'm not that much fan of it, but this is the only one I'm doing it from there. So now they're bouncing back from the Wednesday's opening price. Okay, so new day opening price. So let's see how far they. So this one became a 1 hour order block. So hopefully they don't. This is a kind of 1 hour protected high. This high. So this high is quite far. So what they are doing, they're trading on the top of 830 right now. So okay, so we'll think about it. This is the line of sand. They can come up as well. They can, because the midnight opening price is there. I don't know now. So I'm not gonna predict or anything. Okay, I'm just gonna trade what is there, because I'm gonna be there until 10:30 or 10:45, because I have to go to work today. I've got work. If you following me, you already know. I still work, and this is my fun. So yeah, I love stock trading. I'm seeing the chart and everything. So, but I like to analyze it. I'm not that good in that, but we will slowly. So I'm learning. You can see it. So it would be nice. This is 15 minutes. What is my? I like the 15 minutes chart. I would prefer them to come. Let's say if they come here around this area, even they can come around. Let's say new day opening gap. I don't know if they're gonna come here, but if they come as well, look, this is the series of candle. So this one we are talking about, this is a kind of protected high. Okay, so let's say if you tell me this is kind of order block, so hopefully they come and retrace to these two gaps. So these two gaps is very very important gap. If they cross this area and then they go higher, I don't know, so I'm gonna mark them. So this is the kind of the inversion one, but this, don't get me wrong, this one as well they can come. So let's mark it there, and then we'll observe them. Okay, if they can come there, any of these gaps, and they give us a sign of like weakness, we will shoot it. But if they don't take out the lows, these lows before the 9:30 open, okay, if they retrace, definitely we'll try to short them. But I will do that. You don't need to do that. Okay, don't follow my trade, please. I'm telling you before, because I'm not that good. Yeah, you already saw it. I lose money. I'm not good at all. So it's just for my fun. I'm just observing like you. Okay, so they're retracing from a Wednesday's price. So that's what we need to watch, and we have to be careful. It can even directly go, how the market is. It can even go there because it's like significant down move they made it. So I'm saying like this move is not that small. Okay, the weekly whole range gone. So yeah, 5 minutes left. You analyze it as well, and I'm analyzing. I know there are lots of people, free accounts everywhere, so you can go there and watch it as well. They will take trade. Let's see how we can do it. I just didn't want to come today, but like as I said, I have to show off. I have to come and show up actually. That's why I came, because if I didn't come, I mean, like, then you guys will say, oh, this guy took a challenge and disappeared. So today is very tight. If I get a trade, I'll take it. If I don't have, I'll not take it. So let me set up my chart, and then if I don't talk too much, just don't worry. It's just like I'll be focusing on the chart. So this is the account. We'll try to. I'll try to take some risk from now on. Let's see how we do. Okay, now they going up. This gap we are observing. Okay, if they give us chance, we will get involved. If they go up, I don't know what to do. Okay, good job. Go up. Lots of things happening. Okay, look, more chances of rate hike as well now. So many things will happen. Let them enjoy, man. Bond market gone. It's all right. Okay, this one I have to cut it because I don't want to trade with this one anymore. Top step. I already did one little trade in the pre-market, but I don't want to. That one is nothing to do with it. That is my little income. So they're taken out this high. So I'm watching them. Because overnight this kind of move, after that to trade is difficult. I should have traded the London session. After that it was a smooth move. From now on I have to try it in London or Asia session. Nicely, we have to watch the low of the new week opening gap. That's what we need to be focusing on. Hope they give us a downside move later on to take out some of the liquidity. It would be nice. At least 29,075, around those areas. If they do it, it is almost 200 points. Yeah? So I mean, it will be significant. You don't need 200 points. If we get even 25 to 50 points, happy chappy. But they will little bit manipulate us, so we have to be careful, have to focus. So this 1 hour candle, definitely I want them to extend downside, but not from here. Yeah, so they taken out these highs. I don't know after that, but I'm not believing them. Okay, 28 going up, good sign, I love it. But then please go down. Massive things gonna happen. They can destroy. Today if I take trade, I'm gonna be quickly out as well. I'm gonna put my stop loss and just be cautious. Going down is nicer, but the thing is that anything can happen. Okay, so be careful. So the 1 hour already, there is no gap. So are they creating a order block? But I have to believe on the top of that. Look at this. So they already reached to that one we were already thinking about. Look at this movement, but still, let's see how they behave. I'm not gonna be ahead of them because they already reached to the area where we said we'll be interested, but how they can fall from here, we don't know. So it can be even the next candle go higher. So this market is crazy, I'm telling you. Look, already they're crossing our the area we were observing. It's all right. Let them go. Let them go. What is it? 5 minutes? I don't want to watch 5 minutes. I want to watch 15, 1 hour. Is there 85? Yes, that's it. Don't go up anymore. 85, 85. Massive. My heart's saying to short it from here, but market didn't open yet. So that's why today I have to be careful, truly speaking. So 9:30 will open there. What they're gonna do? Look, see, straightforward, bang, falling. What they stuck now? Go up first. It's like stopping. This one, the problem is the last time, I got upset because they get stuck all of a sudden. They need to invert these things. This one is, I should have actually got involved and put my stop loss there, but it's all right. Keep your patience, man. They reach there, they've taken out the high. Shall I? No. Are they creating an order block? Only thing is that they didn't trade the new week opening gap low. That's the only things. But 1 hour already reached. I did it, yeah. Stop loss definitely has to be here somewhere. I don't know where. A break even maybe. I don't want to. It can come back actually. I don't want to lose anything today. If it works, yeah, I should have taken the money out. But they need to go a little bit more down, I guess. This gap, if holding or not. If they have to go, they have to go quickly. 830 price is there, so I don't want the 830 price to hold it. Should have taken the fast profit out here, and then I don't know how the next candle will. They will stop me out, and then they will go. Yeah, looks like it. Yep, stopped out. See, still now I have to be believing the short, but the problem is that they stopped me out. I'm shorting back again. Okay, I don't know. This will be a loss. This could be a loss, but I'm ready to take the loss. There is a gap here. Are they gonna what is it called, go away from there? I'm gonna take risk today. Yeah, I think we are getting stop out as well. There is a little gap there. Are they gonna invert it? But later on we'll have chance. This one was a bad. I should have taken that money out, and then after that I was expecting them to do a little bit better than this, but the massive rejection from the low. One is enough. If it goes, my TP is here. Okay, so if they can do it, I don't know if they're gonna do it, but if they go down now, I'm gonna again go into a break even for sure. But this time they should not come back. Come on, don't go and come back, man. Risky, man. They look what they're doing. They shouldn't have stopped here. If they had to go, they should have gone like crazy. Again, they're stopping. But this one, this time, I think they're going down. Looks like it. They have to take out this low, this low. Please, don't do this kind of things with us. Our heart is not good. Heart conditions are not that good. Please go down. Go down, please. Cross this area. Don't play with our heart anymore. Cross this 830 price, please. Don't go up and then stop me out back again. Seriously, this guy, man. So if I would taken out the previous profit, I would be already $100 up. But this is the problem, you know. But I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it this time. Please don't come up here. Just go through it, please. You can do it. Village. Look, this is what they're doing. If they go up and stop me out now, what I'm gonna do? I'll cry about it, seriously. This guy is not good guy. Seriously? Market maker pledge. Go through it. 830 price. I don't know how they're gonna react here. 830, they reached it already. Okay. I'm watching them. Massive go down, massive down, please. I'm taking it off fast, okay? Because they let me see how they trade. But this is just traded the 830 price. I think they will I'll enter again if they can give me a little bit up back again. But I don't think they're gonna give it. They'll go through it now. Okay. So they little bit came up. See? Good that I took some money out at least. Massive manipulation. So 830 price, they just gone high. Okay, interesting. Good job. Now this candle, I could have entered it there, man. Massive risky. Because look what they're doing. Same place, still now. 5 minutes gone, but it is still a short. Let's see this one. They came to this is the order block as well, yeah? So let's see if we would taken out this trade, what would happen. Only thing is they didn't come to the 30 points to get all these things. 120. Let's see if these things work. Hypothetical trade, important to do this kind of thing, because this one was it came back to this one's opening price. So now the question is at the closing. Order flow is bearish. Seriously, man, I could have just entered it there, because this is the problem. As soon as I looked at that one, I got I lost my sight. But this is definitely bearish. Looks like it to me. But I'm gonna wait. So when they trade underneath, I've got quite a lot of range left. Yep. So this time now they 830 price again. What they're gonna do? You think from here they jumping jack? I'm reshorting it, but my stop loss. This is not a good trade. Okay. So just this one is a loss. I'm gonna take it, but the stop loss has to be on the top of this candle. But they will come back. Yeah, I think they're coming back. This was not a good trading, because this one is now gyrating. Okay, only things it can save me is because they should come at least this area, I'm thinking. But will they come now? I don't know. Oh my god, the 830 price is holding, man. They are just playing. Shouldn't have done these things. 5 minutes gone, fast 5 minutes. They still playing around. Not happy. This kind of thing is not good. They're coming back to stop you out. But if they given up, it will be nice. No, not good. I'm only hoping that they fall from here because there is a massive gap here. If they hold it, if they close down here, I'm gonna be break even for sure. Yes, already I'm break even. Okay, they should have gone through. There is a little gap here. Let's see if they hold it or not, because they should, this time they're coming down. They should not stop here, man. They should take out this low. At least this lows, no? No. They're not taking out, man. They're playing with me. But this time they should do it. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on, my boy. Boys, please. We take out. It's all right. We got enough today. Because these are the first time they will go through. But do I need to take risk now? It will be a massive, there are chances of going this area as well. So I'm just cautiously watching it. Nice, good trading day, no? It's like, but the thing is that, first time what I said, to 85 around that area, remember, if I just shorted it from there, when I said it here, and my stop loss would be there. Look at this run. Isn't it nice to understand, how the market, at least will be there. I'm learning. We'll learn together. Don't worry. This is the massive thing. So now they created a gap here. Look, 140 points I would have get if I just shorted from there. Even though after this one, let's say, look, they reach to a certain stage and then they given you order block. This is the order block. So even if you taken the trade from here and put your stop loss, the confidence will come back, slowly. So now how they gonna react from this one? Because they taken out some, you see, if I was targeting there, they would have get me. But this is another trade as well. If I re-enter from there, let's say. But this is you have to be it can be even reversing this area to take out this one. But this is low. I don't like this kind of trade. I like to trade from the top. But this is, lots of people will trade from here. Because the, what is it? There are lots of things to take out from underneath. 4 hours, low. But they can even manipulate us from here. Yeah, lots of time I've seen it. They did it. Look, this low, they might not even come. So you risking at least 1 to 2. Now, are they gonna invert it? That's the question. I don't think they're doing it. They would have to take out this low because the 15 minutes how they traded is has to go down next 2 candle. I mean, looks like it, but I'm not sure. Yeah, they can do anything. 62. Where did I'm targeting? I don't even know. But this one is look, see. So when they taken out this low, how much problematic are they? So that's the first kind of low they take out. That's why I came out here, because I don't want to be involved in these things. But this is a hypothetical trade. Okay, don't take it or anything. Because this kind of gap they created, I mean, if they invert, look, see, that's the things I'm saying. So these things, easily. This is the interesting part of understanding this part. Okay, so they know everybody's selling. Okay, look, got it stopped out. So is this a trade for me? No, I didn't trade it. Okay, I just let it go, because how they traded, it was understand, low hanging fruit is the best option. So this was the low hanging fruit, and I came out here with trading with one only. Okay, one micro contract. So now they inverted. Well, am I believing that they're going up? Don't get me wrong, they can go up like that for a while because they massively came down. To go down now, they have to make a big order block here to look to up close candle. They have to close it down there. But look at the market volatility, and they are doing it. I think. What a day! Loved it though. Look at the trade. If I took it my first time, that I do things like that, but I lost confidence because of the in front of you. I didn't lost it in front of you. After now I'm gonna block it every time I finish my trading. But at that 2 days I lost those 2 accounts. these two accounts, let's say I didn't block it. Okay, so that, look, these two massive things I did nicely, nice trading. So now look, I could have make, these are the time I would have sorry, it was, what is it, this is the one, was the 2 days, and this is one, when I finished my live streaming, I started trading. So then I lost it, this one. So now if you go to the other one, which one was that? I had traded quite a lot of time. Where is it? 3 trading. Oh, this one, they've taken out all the data. No, don't do that. Yeah, here, look. Nice trading. We could have make money now. Look, is what it's doing. Put a target. They're going there. So yeah, it is what it is. We will learn it. So this is still now bearishness. Smell of bearishness is there, but I didn't like the fact that they came down there. So now they again. But what they made? Nothing yet. Let them create a gap. Give you a confirmation. You have targets. These are the targets. 4 hours low. But will they give up just like that? We don't know. So we have to see. Back to 830 price. But problematic, isn't it? Loved it. But this one I would have shorted again and then put my stop loss there. But I'm not gonna do it today. I'll have lots of opportunities next week. So we'll do it like this. Next week I'll take more risk. But this one, I could have traded pre-market. That would be nice. So from next week I'll try to trade. I already trade with my other accounts in pre-market. But I said this one I'll do it with you guys. So that's what I was doing. This one can be another short, but not sure. 44 last last candle before last 1 minute. So let's see how they will react from here. This is looks like they're going, next candle will take everything down, and this one is creating something here, but this is just creating problem. But the problem is that I don't have time. If I get involved now, if I lose money, I'll get upset. That's why I'm not getting involved. But if I was I had time today, I didn't go to work, I would have today tried to do something. But look, 15 minutes open up. Look, is they gone high? This can be an entry as well, to just take out these lows, just to this lows. Why I'm looking at this one? I shouldn't even look at that one. I have to analyze from somewhere else. Look, taking down. Are you taking down? Not yet, see, but they will hopefully. What is our target? These areas, hopefully. But this one now became, look, this one gone high. Where did you see? We're gonna have a look. This area, isn't it? These two gaps, we already marked it before our live stream. So 9:30 open, they did a little bit of Judah swing. Very nice things. Look at this run. Am I part of it? Not yet. And I don't want to be part of it anymore. Okay. So now this low is more or less. Good, isn't it? The price action was good today. Very nice. Very nice sell-off. So this candle, 4 hours candle, we really don't know how far they can go. But these are the targets. They can take it. This one is at 12, isn't it? So 12 means they can easily come down around this area as well. So this is the first target. Achieved. See, my short was from where? This area. Then they came out and confused us. So this one I said it to re-enter and put our stop loss there. Do you understand? So then tried it from there, but they didn't do it. So when they inverted this area, then these are the run. So yeah, 75 is the next target because these are the low, 4-hour low. I cannot show you from the other. Oh, I can show you actually. Let me show you. Yeah. So this one. So these lows, 4-hour low. This is a swing low, yeah. But they taken the first one. Sometimes they don't come for the second one immediately. Okay. So just that is another. NQ is a very, very interesting guy. You know, this 75. Look, the first one they already taken this low. So they will now test you again. Maybe that's what they're doing. You know? Yeah. Look at this, massive. That's why observing NQ is one of the important things. You know, NQ is very, very dangerous. NQ test you. Let's go to our other chart. Yeah, done. It's all right, man. So what they did now, they inverted. Yeah, after taking this one, see, it's so important to take low-hanging fruit. Otherwise, this run could have destroyed you. Come on. Look at this, 100 points up. And it can go even to the new, because they didn't traded the new week opening gap completely. So, but this one is a, look, this one closed under this one. So this one became an order block. So this is, they can come up to the midpoint as well. So, I mean, am I thinking that they nicely inverted actually? It can be a bullish run as well. After taking some nice significant liquidity, okay? So that's something I would buy, sell. I'm live streaming, that's it. Why not buying this one to get something, you know, if they can, I mean, if I had chance, but I'm not doing it. So this one is series of down close candle. They taken significant liquidity, created gaps now. They inverted this gap and they created another gap here, creating another gap. Sorry for that. Yeah, so now they're massively going up. After taking the first one, this is important. Hope you understand. Yeah, I think everybody had a nice time today. Everybody made money, I hope. Especially ICT people should make money. I don't know why they would not. I think I'll leave you guys. You enjoy your time, because you know there is no point of like on I've got two people watching right now. I think it was done, you know, like we already did what we could do, and I don't want to trade today because I don't want to lose money, but there will be chances, I'm sure, next time. You have nice time. Just, you know, be careful. Today massive moves are coming, so the targets are there already set, so the moves already occurred. There are lots of things to learn from this market, so we'll check it. There are lots of opportunities gonna come in the coming days. The market yesterday, ICT had a very nice video. You guys can go to his channel and check it. He shown a very nice how to trade the launch macro, you know. So it's important things to see. Very nice video. Massive things to learn. So anyways, so this one came back to this gap. Now the question is, will they create, you know, they can close on the top of that, then it will be a bullish run. If they can close on this two candle, okay, if they can close it, then it will be a run. So, but this candle need to close it, or anytime, like when they close it, after that the next candle opening price we can trade. But I don't want to trade with this account anymore. Okay, so like I'm done, because I don't want to use my mental side of it, because there will be lots of opportunity gonna come very soon. So but let's see how they react on this one, if they can close it. Okay, so this is like going against the term, but it is just for a retracement kind of trade. Okay, because then if they had to go down, they would have gone here, right? They didn't go. Let's see if they can do a closure. It's just to have a test. So this one was the series of down close candle. There was a gap, so they came to trade this one. They already traded. You know, normally I enter from there, but it's better to enter from this kind of area when they close. But they didn't. See, that's why it's risky. Don't enter from there. But I would enter from there. I mean, I know it's like risky as well. But lots of people, like the majority of them, will have the confirmation. They closed it, then the next candle you open is the best option to trade. But now look, they're like doing, you know, they're trying to create a gap here as well. So looks like they're going a little bit up maybe. They need to manipulate. Three second, 2 second, 1 second, didn't close. See, so yeah, still now not confirmed, going up. But look, this one will do it maybe. They're taken out the high. So sometimes, not always, let's say, or like, you know, look, if you try to now say, oh, if it close, I'm gonna enter. Where are you gonna enter? Here, high. That's why I'm saying, like, sometimes this theory better to understanding other things. Look at this massive candle. So where is it entry? According to them, is like the people who teaching you, they'll tell you when this candle close, then you can enter. I mean, yeah, safer, but where I'm gonna enter now is already moved up. How many points? 50 points they moved up. So 50 point up, where will be my stop loss? 100 points down. I cannot trade like that. So that's what I'm saying. So anyways, guys, you can have a nice time, and then enjoy your time. I don't think, you know, you guys are, I'm sure that you guys are everywhere because everybody giving you accounts and things like that, you know, enjoy there. It's gonna be nice. But I'll do my challenge. If I don't do live streaming as well, I'll do the video and I'll record it and I'll put those trades if I take it. Okay, the live streaming, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep doing it or not, because I did it. I'm trying, because I cannot take trade, you know, while I'm live stream, because then I feel like you guys will follow that trade, because I take trade, so risky trade. Like, you know, let's say this one I would have entered. Will you enter from here? No, but I will enter because I have confidence on that, you know, this will at least take some of these lows. So like I would have come out, then they came back, you know, this retracement I would not get it, because I would have definitely, I came out in front of you, but then what I did, I was trying to show you an entry from there as well. Luckily they somehow, I don't know I took this trade or not, but yeah, so this kind of retracement can happen. So I normally, what I do, I come out, I re-enter back again when I see sign, you know, so is very risky for you. So this one, when they closed it, now people will say to enter from there. I cannot trade like that, because this is, to me, like, you know, they will retrace. Maybe they will say, oh, let them retrace, then when they come here, then next, if they give you another order block, then enter. Yeah, safer entry. Good job. That's a nice way of trading. Yeah, we will see. I'll take care, because I have to go to work, so I'm gonna be signing off right now, and you have a nice time. Hope this was, at least we made something, okay, in front of you guys. So if I taken that fast trade, money out, a second time as well, if I took the money out nicely, I would have more than 250 or something like that. Because then, do you understand? Like with only one micro contract, you can make a living out of it. So that's what I'm trying to say. So by saying these things, I'm signing off. Okay, take care because I need to get ready. Bye bye.